In a small room deep inside Agegunal, Lagos, a young man sat quietly staring at his phone. 1842. That was everything he had left. No job, no connection, no help coming, just silence and struggle. Outside, the rain kept falling like it was washing away his dreams. And in that moment, he made a decision that would change everything. I will never be broke again. Lagos never sleeps, but it doesn't treat everyone the same. On one side, chaos, noise, survival; on the other, luxury cars and a different life entirely. He stood there quietly, watching everything. Then a question entered his mind: why not me? That night everything changed. At a small roadside buka, he saw someone from his past. The same boy they used to mock in school now stepped out of a Lexus SUV. Calm, confident, successful. Then came the shock. 18 million in his account. And just like that, his mindset shifted forever. That night he didn't sleep. He started learning. Design, freelancing, AI tools, online skills, no comfort, no fast internet, just determination. He worked through the night again and again until slowly he found direction. Then it happened. His first online payment, 75,000. He stared at the screen again and again as if it would disappear. Then he smiled. For the first time in a long time he felt hope. But one income stream is never enough. So he expanded. POS business, mini importation, freelancing, content creation, crypto trading, AI tools. Now his life was no longer survival, it became strategy. But success has a price, and sometimes pain comes with it. One wrong decision and he lost everything in crypto, just like that. Silence filled the room, no words, no hope, just regret. But quitting was never an option, because pain either breaks you or builds you. And he chose to rise again, stronger, smarter, and focused. Failure was no longer the end, it became preparation. By 2026, everything changed. Lucky nights, luxury lights, financial freedom. The boy who once had 1842 now moved with purpose, but he never forgot where he came from. Then one message changed everything. It went viral. Millions saw it. Your phone is either making you money or wasting your future. Because in 2026, opportunity is everywhere, but only action changes lives. The question is not, can you make money in Nigeria? The question is, will you start today? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more chilling Naija stories.